Hi, I'm Jeff Taylor with NCS, and in this video, we're going to cover how to replace the secondary arm bearings. And then with 1 1/8 wrench up top and 1 1/16 at the bottom, we're going to remove the nut and bolt for the secondary arm. All right, now we can move this out. Now you'll see how much grease is in this tube. It's going to be pretty messy to clean up. There's the top bearing. So we got the new bearings and shaft here. You'll notice that the bearings have a seal on one side and they are open on the other side. The open obviously goes towards the inside of the tube. And all right, now we're seated. You can tell the audible difference when the bearing seats itself. All right, we're seated. Now we are fully completed with this job, and that is how you replace the secondary arm bearings on the RS-701.